One of the difficulties that a lot of people have when creating abstract florals is, where do I begin? That first application of paint. Where do I put it? What color do I use? How do I create the foundation to my abstract paintings? Do you ever look at an abstract floral painting and think, wow, that's really beautiful? How did the artist create such an amazing effect? My course, Exploring Abstract Florals, is going to take you step by step. I'm going to walk you through that process, and I'm going to give you exercises to help you understand the concept of composition and how you can get your abstract floral paintings to look successful. Once you've learned all my techniques in this course, you're going to be on your way to creating beautiful art that you're going to feel confident and proud to show to your friends, family, and who knows, maybe even clients. Painting abstract florals should be a fun and enjoyable process. Let me show you how you can achieve this through my course, Exploring Abstract Florals.